Energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners who want to stay comfortable while keeping utility costs under control. While window style matters, how those windows are installed is just as important. Awning windows are known for their tight seal and versatile design, but their full energy-saving potential is only realized when they are installed correctly. For homeowners in Rockford, proper awning window installation plays a critical role in boosting energy efficiency and long-term home comfort. Why awning windows are naturally energy efficient? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a strong seal. This design naturally limits air leakage compared to some other window styles. In Rockford houses, where temperature changes can affect indoor comfort, this tight closure helps maintain stable interior conditions throughout the year. Precise installation prevents air leaks. Even the most energy-efficient window can lose effectiveness if gaps are left during installation. Improper alignment or loose framing allows air to move in and out of the home, increasing energy loss. Professional installation ensures awning windows are set squarely within the opening and sealed completely. For Rockford homeowners, this precision helps prevent drafts and keeps conditioned air where it belongs. Proper sealing enhances thermal performance. High-quality sealants and weatherproofing materials are essential to energy efficiency. Proper awning window installation includes sealing around the entire frame to block air infiltration and moisture. In Rockford houses, effective sealing keeps warm air inside during cooler periods and blocks unwanted heat during warmer months, reducing strain on heating and cooling systems. Insulation around the window frame matters. Energy efficiency isn't just about the glass, it also depends on what surrounds the window. During proper installation, insulation is added between the window frame and the wall opening to eliminate thermal gaps. For Rockford homeowners, this insulation helps prevent temperature fluctuations near windows and supports consistent indoor comfort. Preventing moisture-related energy loss. Moisture intrusion can damage insulation and reduce its effectiveness over time. Improper installation may allow water to seep into wall cavities, leading to hidden energy loss. Professional awning window installation includes moisture management techniques that direct water away from the window opening. In Rockford homes, this protection preserves insulation and maintains energy efficiency long-term. Maintaining smooth operation for a tight seal. Awning windows rely on proper alignment to close securely. If installed incorrectly, they may not seal tightly, allowing air leaks. Correct installation ensures awning windows open and close smoothly while maintaining a firm seal. For Rockford homeowners, this reliable operation supports consistent energy performance year after year. Reduced HVAC strain and lower energy bills. When awning windows are installed properly, heating and cooling systems don't have to compensate for air leaks or drafts. This reduces system workload and energy consumption. In Rockford houses, homeowners often notice more stable indoor temperatures and lower utility bills after upgrading to professionally installed awning windows. Comfort gains beyond energy savings. Improved energy efficiency also enhances overall comfort. Properly installed awning windows help eliminate cold drafts, hot spots, and uneven temperatures near window areas. For Rockford homeowners, this means living spaces feel comfortable and usable throughout the home. Professional installation protects your investment. Awning windows are a long-term investment, and proper installation ensures they perform as designed. Professional installers follow proven methods to maximize efficiency and durability. In Rockford, this expertise helps homeowners enjoy lasting energy savings and reliable window performance. A smart, energy-efficient choice for Rockford houses. Awning windows offer excellent energy-saving potential, but only when installed correctly. Proper installation ensures tight seals, effective insulation, and long-term performance. For Rockford homeowners, investing in professional awning window installation is a smart way to boost energy efficiency, improve comfort, and protect their home for years to come.